Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I am going to do a little watercolour painting in my little watercolour sketchbook. This is part of the 100-day project, which is a global project that anyone can do. It runs for 100 days. It started on the 23rd of February and we are up to day 79. I can't believe day 79. So I've just about filled this whole sketchbook. I've only got a few pages left, so I'm going to have to make a little mini journal to stick into the back. But today I thought for something different I would do it on camera. So I've never done it, not really on camera, but I thought, oh, I'll give it a go. So today I'm going to paint a snail and see how that turns out. You may see this video or you may not, so I might zoom in a little bit. How do I do that? Hang on a second. Way, that way. Okay, right. So move these out the way. Move this over a bit. Make sure it's still. There we go. That should be okay. Yeah, day 79. Can't believe it. I'm just going to go in with water and paint the shell. I still can't believe it that I'm still going. Normally I get to day 5 or anything like this and that's it, I've given up, but I'm still going. I'm enjoying it. Enjoying it a lot, which is good. So I'm going to make that a bit fatter, I think. Otherwise it's not going to be very big, mind you. Snails aren't very big. Go to about there. We'll make its shell a bit wider. So you probably, oh yeah, you can see a little bit of the glistening. Don't want them to touch. I'm going to put my colour in there. So, a bit tricky to see. Make that a bit wider going around there. Right, that'll do. Okay. I've activated my colours already. Now, I need to mix up that orange a bit more. There's not much left. And he's going to be a little rainbow snail. Oh, he's coming out a bit far. Hang on, I'm going to have to travel down. Just take some of that colour out. Need to clean my water out. It's gone a bit grainy. I'll take some of that back up there. That's better. Okay. And a little bit further because it's puddling in the bottom and it's trying to travel. It's dribbling. What's happened here? Just fix that bit. Okay. Some blue. Need to make a purple. Really purple, isn't it? Redden. Blue. And then a bit of white. It's more of a cornflower. Okay. Tiny bit of red. There we go. That'll do. Yeah, I'm just going to fix up that green. take some of that out. A little bit wider, but I don't want it to touch the colour above it. Or below it. Let me take a bit of that purple out. I'll go around there, carefully not touching. Okay, now let's take a bit of that out. A little bit puddly there, so that's okay. Right, now let's paint his little body. Some water on there. This is very nerve-wracking. Okay, so it's going to have a little heat up here. And then little antenna things. Okay. Something hanging off my brush. Right, go up there a little bit. Okay, there's my little snail. Now I'm going to paint in some grass. And he's just travelling along. minding his business, staying in his own lane. Don't want to touch that brown. There we go. Right, I'll let that dry, and when I come back I'll put in the pen details. I'll just take some of that brown out 'cause it's a bit, and sign and date it. Day 79. No, still can't believe it. Right. Okay, I will pause the video here, and when I come back I will draw on his little face and we'll be done. Okay, won't be long. Okay, so he's all dry and looking a bit cute, but we will just do a little face, and then he will be done. Okay, now Posca pen. Use a gel pen, I suppose, and just do a little highlight in his eye. A bit of hair coming from, there we go. And he's done. Okay. Today is the 12th of May, so stamp that. And it's day 79. And there we go. There's my little snail. Let me show you up a bit closer. He's a bit cute. Okay, well, that's it from me today. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.